welcome back, dear friends. This is Chef Walter with another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. Today's cooking classes is about tamales, traditional Mesoamerican dish that consists of various fillings, such as meats, cheeses, vegetables, or sweets, all wrapped in a masa dough made from corn and then steamed or boiled in a corn husk or even banana leaves. Tamales are widely enjoyed across Latin America, particularly in Mexico and Central American regions. Still, they also have variations in several other countries. The process of making tamales involves several steps which are not difficult, and let's look into together. Firstly, preparing the filling, which can vary widely given that each tamale has unique flavors. Some popular fillings may include shredded meats like pork, chicken, and beef, or even seafood, of course, cheeses, and vegetables like peppers, onions, and others, legumes such as beans and olives. Sweet onions are also available with chocolate, fresh fruits, or sweetened rice. Step 2 is making the masa, which is a dough made from ground corn, water, and a fat of choice, and it could be, of course, lard or vegetable shortening, seasoned to your liking. It's mixed until it reaches a soft, pliable consistency, and then it's left to rest for about 25 minutes. We move into the assembly portion. Corn husks or banana leaves are soaked to make them pliable. A portion of masa is spread onto the husk or the leaf, whichever you like to choose, and then chosen filling is placed right in the center. The husk or the leaf is then folded over the filling, which creates a compact package, and that has to be nice and tight, sort of to protect the filling that you chose. Let's move into the steaming or the boiling process. The tamales are placed upright in a steamer or a pot and cooked until the masa is cooked through and it holds its shape. The steaming process infuses the masa with flavors from the filling and creates a moist and a tender texture. Lastly, the serving aspect of it, which is the one that we are probably more interested in, typically served hot and can be enjoyed alone or with selected sauces or topping to choice. Some of the most popular versions include the Mexican tamales, where it's a staple in many of the regional areas, and they may include something like tamales de puerco, filled with seasoned pork, tamales de pollo, filled with, of course, chicken in a flavorful and tangy sauce, where usually there is an addition and a dash of adobo. Even tamales dulces, sweet tamales made with ingredients like chocolate, cinnamon, and seasonal fruit. Central American tamales are also prevalent in countries like Honduras, Guatemala, and San Salvador. These tamales are often giant, and they are wrapped, typically in banana leaves. Some fillings may include meats, olives, capers, and even almonds. Let's go into the Peruvian tamales, where they are called humitas and made with fresh corn and spices, often including cheeses and a mandatory slice of chili pepper. We step into Colombia, where the tamales are more prominent and typically have a mixture of meats, potatoes, carrots, peas, and rice, all wrapped again in banana leaves. And in Venezuela, the tamales are called hallacas, made with a corn dough, again called masa, filled with a mixture of meats, olives, raisins, and capers, all wrapped in banana leaves. As you can see, the flavors are a little bit different and also related to what you add on the inside, which can be also very personal, depending on family, as they pass along their own traditions. Tamales hold a cultural significance in many Latin American communities and are often prepared during special occasions, holidays, and celebrations. They bring people together, and by making the tamales and sharing these delicious treats, you are guaranteed to do exactly that with your own family and friend. So on your next venture, try some tamales. They're not complicated to make, and you can be very creative as well. And that is all here in Flavors and Knowledge for this brief cooking classes on tamales. We'll reconnect in the next round with another exciting topic. As you know, Flavors and Knowledge is nothing but narrated practical culinary education for the benefit of all. Eat well and stay safe. Ciao, ciao.